You're tired, right? You're tired of researching. You're tired of trying to figure out what platform is the best one to even get started on selling said digital products that you see so many people all over social media talking about. So if you have been looking or you've been thinking this, you have came across the right channel. Hi, my name is Katera. I am a digital business coach and online business mentor, and I'm here to help you guys learn these platforms that you can get started selling digital products on, because I mean, there's no need to keep researching and see which one is the best one. I'm about to show you guys and give you guys at least a little overview of all of these, so that way you guys can see and you can learn about which one is, best for you. Now, I've been in the online space since 2022, but I've been coaching and mentoring and selling digital products since 2023. So if you guys are looking to learn, you came to the right channel. Go ahead and subscribe and get this video a thumbs up, all right? Because you're in for a treat. And I don't know, y'all, like I really feel like I found my passion in helping other people get started with something that has literally changed my life. I'm a stay-at-home mom, but this business has been able to generate me enough money to be able to stay home consistently and be able to help contribute to our household bills and to live and just book vacations and do things, that I want to do leisurely. So I would love to help you guys, and I have created something called the Krowned Vision Network. It is my mentorship space where I help you guys from start to finish, either create your own products, or of course you can resell some certain things and you can resell the community. And I'll talk more about that once you join. So if you're interested in reading more about the Krowned Vision Network, you can check out the link in the description. But not only that, this is one of my students right here that I've helped, and she just launched her product this week and she's already made sales on her own digital products. All right, y'all. So I'm not new to this, I'm true to this, but let's just get into these platforms. Now, I'm about to give you guys at least 5 to 6 different platforms that I am very familiar with. I have, either grazed over these or I have utilized them. So I want to just show you guys how each one works, and you guys can choose which one is best for you. But I'm gonna tell you guys my favorite one, but let's just get into it. So the first one is Stand Store, okay? Stand Store is an all-in-one creator store, and honestly, this is my favorite, so that's why I went first. So with Stand Store, it's one of the easiest ones that you can create because all you gotta do is sign up for it. I do have a 14-day free trial in my bio. You can put your social media handles and all of that good stuff on there, and then you put your digital products in your store. Not only do you sell digital products on Stand Store, you also can sell services and, your coaching and all of that. So as you guys can see, it says the best creators do use Stand Store. But all in all, y'all, I love Stand Store. That's probably the screenshots. If you've ever seen people posting their screenshots from, 9 times out of 10, it is from Stand Store. It's the little purple text or the purple graph and things like that. Like I was mentioning, you can also promote webinars, links, courses. You can also host your Google Calendar, and then once again, digital products. It is more so, like I was saying, and I believe, like they have on their landing page, it is a simpler solution. It is an all-in-one solution that you can host an optimized link in bio site, your Google Calendar, your webinars. You can host courses in Stand Store, which I do host some of my courses in Stand Store. You can see your audience. You can keep up with your analytics, Instagram auto DM. So I don't know if you guys watched any of my previous videos where I talked about mini chat. Stan also has a auto DM feature. You can host your email list, social media templates, exclusive creator access, and you can also host a community in Stan. All right, so everything in one can be hosted on Stan Store. That is why it is my #1 favorite. And y'all sign up for the 14-day free trial. I'm telling y'all, you probably won't even want to cancel it if I'm being 100 with y'all. And last but not least, no coding. So you don't have to worry about some fancy website. You don't have to worry about getting on this platform and having to make someone design it for you. You can do it yourself. Just change your colors and start putting your products in there. So let me show you guys my Stand Store. So this is my Stand Store. As of right now, the Krowned Vision Network, there is a wait list, but as probably when you see this video, it would be launched. So that was soon gonna change, but this is my Stand Store, you guys. I have my freebies right here, and then I just have my Pinterest course, and then they can book a one-on-one call, and then of course, the 14 days for free. So you can break it down however you want to, but like I said, it's super simple, super easy. The Krowned Visionary that will help you get to your first 5-figure month, which I will. So y'all lock me into the Krowned Vision Network, but I love Stand Store. I've been using it for well over a year, and I love it. So Stand Store is the first option. So the next one is Etsy. Now, Etsy is something that I used to utilize. I don't really recommend Etsy unless, like I said, you're selling specific things like either handmade things or templates. So if you're selling like Canva templates or website templates, things like that, Etsy is a good place to sell your templates. But if you're selling like, your ebooks and things like that, I would say Stand Store. And there are so many people that sell so many different templates on Etsy for so many different things. So this is a mega event planner template. Oh, that's nice. I like that. Full access templates, real estate templates, brain dumps, digital planners, things like that. So aesthetic videos, mega bundles, and people love to put these bundles together to like kind of make their offer more exclusive, which I do recommend doing. Let me just say this, I don't recommend Etsy only because it is a little bit more competitive. You will have to like battle with some more people that are selling the exact same thing as you to like fight to get to the top of the algorithm. But Etsy is once again a good place to sell like your templates and things like that. So if you've ever wanted to get started selling like your graphic design and things like that, Etsy is a good place. And like I was saying in one of my other videos, AI prompts is something that is super popular right now. So if you want to sell AI prompts too, look here, y'all. All these people are buying these AI prompts to learn how to utilize these different platforms way better. And like this is right here, unlock ChatGPT's potential. A lot of times people don't even understand what that means. I used to not, but now I do know that there are certain ways that you can get ChatGPT to do just about anything that you want it to do. So you can buy these templates on Etsy as well. It's super easy to create a store. You just sign in and, create your shop, and then you just put your products in there. Hold on, let me show you. And like you guys see right here, I used to sell ChatGPT prompts too. So right here, you can see my Bible study prompts and my YouTube growth prompts. And I should have kept doing it, but I was like, okay, this is a little time consuming. On to the next one. But if this is something that you enjoy and you're very knowledgeable on, by all means sell it. I was making sales on these, but that's when I moved over to Stand Store and I started selling my other digital products, which is okay. But I just wanted to show you guys, like, I've tried to do this as well. So you just put it in here, you kind of put your title, you put your pictures in here of like your prompts, and then you just add, like you download your prompts as a PDF, and then you put them in there, and it's going in my store. There we go. And so now my AI prompts are in there, and y'all can see I also do print on demand. That's my print on demand products right there too. So let's move on to the next one. So now let's move over into PayHip. So PayHip is also another great one, you guys. I used to utilize PayHip as well. This is 100% for free. So Stand Store is a paid platform. Etsy, they charge you 20 cents per listing. So that's another paid platform. And that's another reason why I don't really recommend Etsy, because why would you spend money like that, like lose money trying to post a product, like, you guys see what I'm trying to say? Instead of a free trial, you already are losing money before you make money. Anyways, but PayHip is 100% free. So you can sell digital downloads, courses, and coaching from one simple platform, all right? So same thing, Stan, it's 100% free. But the difference is between Stan and PayHip, Stan, you get 100% of your profits. You only get taken out from a Stripe fee of when you get paid. But on PayHip, they do take at least 5 to 7% of each sale. So I teach all my students, if you're gonna utilize PayHip, make sure that your pricing reflects what they're gonna take from you, so that way you're getting what you expect from each sale. But anyways, let's dive in. All in one platform, once again, digital downloads. You can also sell your courses, but also when you sell your courses on PayHip, once again, I've utilized this platform. You are gonna have to pay $5 per month subscription to be able to host your videos in the course section. So free for ebooks and stuff, but if you wanna sell a course on PayHip, you do have to pay for that section. Once again, people sign up for your coaching, your memberships, and physical products. I like PayHip as well because you do have your own little storefront. You can connect a custom domain. And then once again, you can create a landing page for each of your products. But like I said, this is a free option for anyone that wants to do PayHip. PayHip is something that you can start out with, but I recommend Stand Store, because if you do PayHip, you'll have to like email on another platform, and you just want everything all in one. Y'all probably like, girl, you going hard for Stand Store? Yes, I am. I love Stand Store. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. So Shopify is another really good one, but the only thing about Shopify is, for one, you have to start out paying something, whether it's $1 or you start out with a $30. The second one is you have to get someone to like design your whole entire store, or you can design it yourself, but it's gonna take forever. And then the third thing is you do have to have a little bit of coding if you want certain things on here. And there are certain things that you can't do, like affiliate products. Like if you want to promote an affiliate product, I don't think you can do that on Shopify because they don't have that feature to kind of track if it's an affiliate link. So that's just something to think about. But once again, I like Shopify for like other things like drop shipping and stuff like that. But you can sell digital products on Shopify. Let me not say it like you can. So once again, like you guys can see, bring your ideas to life for $1 a month. You'll get started with Shopify. And a lot of these big brands that we all know utilize Shopify, but it's an all safe and efficient platform. Once again, social sales channel. So you can link your Shopify store to different platforms. And it has intuitive AI tools. So that's really good. But like I said, Shopify is a good place more so like for physical products, but don't shy away from it with digital products. If you like more of like a customizable page, or if you sell like more than just digital products, you sell digital and physical, Shopify will be a good platform. I haven't really used Shopify personally for my digital products, but I have used it for physical businesses. But like I said, if you like more customizable pages, you can utilize Shopify as well. Now, Gumroad. Gumroad is also a good one, okay? And I'm saying good one like they're all good. They're all good. It's just really your personal preference. I have a student, she uses Gumroad and she loves it. Now, once again, the only thing about Gumroad is they do take a percentage of your sales. But another good thing is Gumroad kind of runs just like Etsy. And so they have like a marketplace for people that go straight to Gumroad for specific things. So you have an opportunity to gain an audience that you're not even promoting to. But a lot of people sell different things on here. They sell their ebooks, they sell their coursing, they sell their communities, and things like that. But like I said, Gumroad is another good one. You can also sell subscription-based services on here, like communities, if you want to create those. But like I said, y'all, it really just depends on you guys. Y'all probably like, this girl says, like I said, a lot. Now, I believe Gumroad is free to get started on, which is why a lot of people like to utilize Gumroad, because like I said, it is free to get started on. And right here, it says you can sell anything, video lessons, monthly subscriptions, whatever. Okay, period. Sell your top 10 lists, your crypto tips, keto diet cookbooks, and of course, like I said, they're gonna sell it. You can sell to anyone, and they do have a marketplace. But once again, you can sell anywhere, and I think you can integrate Gumroad to a website, so that might help with the email aspect. But I think the issue that one of my students was running into was she wasn't able to send or even to know who was on her email list. Like the email collection was a little blurry. So that might be something that could do work better on. But once again, here's the pricing. So they take 10% plus 50 cents per transaction on all your sales through your profile, or 30% per transaction when new customers find and buy from you through the marketplace. So they're taking a lot. That's a lot. 30% if somebody finds me on the marketplace. So what if I'm selling a $10 product? That's like, I can't do mental math right now, but that's a lot. So you guys want to keep that in mind too. You probably have to mark up your product on Gumroad just to get a commission that you would be expecting. So that's something to think about. Once again, like I said, Stand Store, they don't take none of your coin. Anyways. All right, and then the last one is beacons.ai. All you need to power your creative growth. So beacons.ai is also a good one. But with beacons.ai, you do have a little bit more creative reign for beacons. And so a lot of popular creators also use beacons.ai as well when they're getting started selling digital products. But once again, it is a personal preference. You can start on Beacons for free as well. But when you're wanting to do more of the things that will come with your business, such as emails and marketing and things like that, you are gonna have to upgrade to the $30 subscription. But yeah, so Beacons AI is such a great one as well. And like I said, they say it's the next big thing. You can do affiliate programs on here. You also can do like brand partnerships and things like that. So that's one of the perks of Beacons, is you can host your media kit on here and all of that good stuff. So I feel like Beacons is more for like creators who have like, their affiliate links and things like that on here. But if you're strictly just wanting to sell digital products, Stand Store. But if you're more of a creative person, you have like your affiliate links and also digital products incorporated, Beacons will be a great one to start with as well. So if you're anything like me, like I said before, you can go with whatever platform you kind of rock with the best, or whichever one is more convenient for you to get started with. But I just gave you guys so many different options to sell your digital products on, so there's no reason why you shouldn't be selling digital products in 2025. Now, if you would like help selling your digital products, once again, I want to invite you to join us in the Krowned Vision Network. The link to that is in my description. You can read more about it, but I will help you step by step, put everything in your store, come up with your product and marketing as well. So once again, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, share this with your friends so they can come over and start selling digital products too. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all.